So how much is your gas bill costing you each month? Now, did you know that if your boiler is 10 years old or more, then it could be costing you as much as £47.50 too much every single month? Now that's a staggering £570 every single year simply wasted. Now, just because your boiler is working, it doesn't mean that it's working that well. If you replace your old boiler with a new A-rated boiler from our fantastic range, you will get installation, no upfront payment options, unlimited service cover, all repairs and callouts, plus 12 years warranty. All from less than £10 per week. Simply choose your boiler and your preferred payment option, then book your preferred survey date and installation date, and relax, simply knowing that your heating is covered and costing you less. We work in partnership with the AA, and we are a Which Trusted Trader company. All of our gas engineers are gas safety registered, and, like for like, we are better value than your local plumber. So isn't it time that you stop throwing your money away on fuel bills